The museum is a public institution. It belongs to all the people in Wales. So all the people of Wales should kind of have a say if they want in what we do here and how we use the museum and its resources. I'd like young people to be involved in setting up opportunities, events and activities for young people.
It takes one to know one. A teenager can give ideas for what other teenagers might like, but an adult moving in his 50s, not so much.
We've just heard from Scott, who's come up with the brilliant idea of a zombie apocalypse at the museum. And the idea here is to work with young people, to take their ideas on board, to do the kind of activities that they would actually enjoy and do in their own time, and then to try and add an element of learning on top of that.
Staff of the museum really want people all over Wales of all ages to enjoy their time in the museum and learn stuff from it. Over the next month, we will probably be meeting David Anderson, the leader of the museum, and get a few of his views, I suppose.
I'd like them to help us review what we can do better at the museum, for example, in terms of representing groups that are currently underrepresented in the museum. I'd like to get new voices in, and I'd like us to let go of control a little bit and young people to become more empowered.